At one point in your life, you'll be asked to give a speech in front of an audience. And most of the times when you're told to give a speech, sometimes you don't know how to proceed. Sometimes you don't know even the structure of how a speech should look like. And most of the times, we find ourselves, we are not even able to address the public or the audience that you're giving the speech. And today, I want us to talk about how to become a good public speaker. If you have ever been called to give a speech, or if you're intending to give a speech, these are some of the things that will make you a good public speaker. Hello, guys, welcome to Feast of Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start, and manage your business. We also talk about career, courses, life, things like public speaking. We give you tips in everything that maybe if you want to start a business, or maybe tips on life. And today we're going to be talking about how to become a good speaker. What are some of the things that you're supposed to do in order to become the best public speaker? Number one, you should study great public speakers. And when we're talking about studying great public speakers, this is where you analyze and watch videos of people who have done public speaking, and you learn a thing or two. Look at what are some of the things that they are employing in their speech. So what are some of the things that they do? What tactics do they use to make their speeches very entertaining? How do they grab attention of their audience? So these are some of the things that you should do before, if you want to become the best public speaker. You need to learn from others, learn from people who have already been doing public speaking, and you'll find that sometimes you'll get tips from them. If you listen to their speeches, most of the time they give tips on how to become a good public speaker. Then number two, you're supposed to relax your body language. If you want to give the best public speech, relax your body language. When you're talking about relaxing your body language, this is from the tone, how you behave, your body posture, everything. So when you're giving a public speech, your audience will know if you have stage fright. This is because of how you are behaving. You find that sometimes you're even fidgeting, sometimes you're even freezing in front of them, sometimes you even forget what you're supposed to tell them, and all this is observable. The audience can know. So you need to relax yourself. And when talking about relaxing your body, you can do things like breathe in, breathe out, things like that. And that way you'll be able to have a good posture when you're giving a public speech. Then number three, what you're supposed to do is practice voice and breath control, because most of the time when giving a public speech, you find that you're losing you're going out of breath because you have been holding air when you're speaking. And it is good to speak meticulously in a way that you are able to control your speech. You're also able to control your breath, so that you don't even find yourself you're fainting on stage because you have not been breathing because of speaking very fast. And then number four, you should prepare talking points. And when you're talking about preparing talking points, this is have jot down somewhere some of the key topics that we'll be covering. And when you forget, in a nice way, you can just revise them, open the note and read. And in a way that the audience will notice that you have not forgotten what you were speaking about. So this way you can employ tactics to be visiting the topics or the notes without really seeming like you are visiting the notes. And when you're preparing about talking points, you find that you'll be able to remember a lot of things, and you'll be even able to move from one point to another in a very easy way. And then number five, know your audience. You should understand which kind of audience are you giving the speech to. Is it elderly people? Are you giving a speech to children? Are you giving speech to a group of women? Are you talking to the teenagers? Each group has a way you can address them. So you find that when you're talking to children, it's not the same way you'll be talking to teenagers, because you find that for children you have to be entertaining, you have to involve them, ask them questions, have fun with them. But when you're talking to elderly people, it's different, because you have to now understand the language that you'll be using. You have to understand the body posture you'll be using in a way that they will even resonate with you. So those are the 5 ways, or the 5 tips of how to become a good public speaker. And I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can be notified. And if you're interested in learning more about public speaking courses, you can enroll at Finstock University College. This is an online college that offers short courses, diplomas, certificate, degrees at a very affordable rate. Visit their website. It's www.finstockuniversity.com, or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Until next time, goodbye.